Team Saturday morning. We went by and did a clean out. Folding table, coffee table. At least I think it's more like a side table, but it's coffee table height. It's got a couple flip up leaves. We got two ottomans that are both pretty past it, and the entertainment center. We did get some trash. Oh yeah, and we got that like bamboo curtain sunshade thing. We were supposed to pick up a couch. We did not get the couch because of the whole COVID-19 thing. Everything was supposed to be outside for us to pick up, and the couch didn't make it out there. So they apologized and said that they would get the couch out there and call us, and we're going to go back and get it when it's out there. Anyway, I think I could have got it all in the trailer pretty easy. So we also swung by the other rental and checked out the light. This is the light. I took my voltmeter, and there is power at the box. We did some rewiring on the box, wired the light back up, and I still couldn't get the light to work. So I'm going to bench test the light here and see if I can get it working here, and see if it's a problem with the light, or if I don't know if I had bad connections. I don't know. We'll bench test the light and see if that's the problem. But I think we got the box at the rental figured out. I think we're all good there. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know if we're doing that today. I'm not sure what we're doing right now. I want to cut down bush tree, and I want to bench test this light. So I'm not sure. We're taking a break. I don't know what we're doing. I'll get back to you in a bit. Team, we decided to just do bush tree real quick. He made it up about 20 feet, but something removed the bark. I'm suspicious it's a Bob Squad thing, but I don't know. Anyway, this one's dead. This one here. The other one's got some green on it, but it just doesn't have any bark. But I'm just gonna cut it down stump height again. As you can see, we've done this a few times. There's the original bush tree. But we'll just cut it down level with all the stump again. Alright team, we cut them both down, and then sort of kind of flush cut them. What was left of them. Because I didn't start with a cut that low. I cut them about, I don't know. Cut them about that high. It's about a foot. I'd say that one's about a foot. Anyway, laid them over here. I was going to nibble away at them with some pruners. See if I can't just shove them in a trash can or two. Talk to you in a bit. Alright team, Sunday morning. It's just before dawn. That's a street light. Kind of looks like a clouded over sun to me, but that's a street light. So if I get out here, you can kind of see the light. That is the sunrise, or going to be the sunrise. We're supposed to load motors this morning. At least that was the plan yesterday. Me and Long Haul finished bush tree. Long Haul was working on the ceiling fan yesterday. We haven't been working yet today. I just got out here. This is from our light project. That's what they're using to wire that light. I was doing spokes yesterday. Taking the brassy nuts off. Pickups. We have not done much for pickups. There's a couple new frames in here. Otherwise, none of this is new. We picked up at the once a week guy. I don't think you saw this stuff. There are a couple motors on this lift. There's one there, and there's one up here. There are a couple motors on this. This is the box part of a wheelchair, electric wheelchair. Anyway, this is the motor part, and then it goes to the drive, and there's one on each side. We picked those up from the Once a Week guy. The rest of the stuff we picked up from him, we already worked, sorted, and it's gone. The aluminum stuff, we managed to get out in the aluminum run. Oh, I owe you trailer totals too. I never gave you the total from the steel trailer, and I know I didn't give you the total from the aluminum trailer. I will have to, rather than spit out some number now off the top of my head, which I think I remember the aluminum one, but I don't know the exact number. And the steel one, I don't know it at all. So I'll have to get those numbers before the end of the video and let you know. I'm not sure where else we are on this stuff. I'm going to tinker around for a little bit. We can't load motors this early, but I'm up. So I'm going to work on something until we can load motors. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Alright, team. Still Sunday morning. But obviously the sun has risen. I don't remember making such a huge mess over here. We loaded up motors. Motors are dirty business. We loaded up motors and we loaded up forks. By we, I'm talking me, Mrs. Duggar, and Luna. This is what our east side is looking like now. Still got our shelf unit here. Let me try that again without like making everybody dizzy or whatever happened there. I think that wheelchair is going on the next steel trailer. I just can't seem to get it put back together. When I got it, it didn't come with front wheels. I managed to collect front wheels. Maybe I should try again, guys. But best I could tell, it's just missing the front wheels. Anyway, we're at wheelchair. And then you got the wheelbarrow bins, you got our our aluminum cans, crushed aluminum cans in the trash cans, empty totes. I don't know what else. Got my dirty condenser, probably going next trip. Because what I hadn't gotten to yet is the three of us loaded motors and dirty aluminum, and then I decided that the truck was overloaded, so we took the dirty aluminum back off. We did cut up our first section of carpet, so we're only carpeted to here now. We got rid of that piece. That's gonna go in the trash. The only thing I've noticed so far is my desk rolls around a lot easier when it's not on the carpet. But walking on the cement is so much nicer than walking on the moon surface carpet with all the pits and divots and everything else that was wrong with it. So like I said, we took all the dirty aluminum back off, and all we got in there is motors now. We're going to do just motors. There's that little coffee table that I said looks more like a side table. That is just unusual. That can be done up too. It's got a split. It's got a split. I can't see my phone. But it's like 5 boards across. So it's the splits where the boards are. So it's technically not a split. The boards are just coming unglued. And it's got artwork. It's got a dude. Maybe a tree. I think that's a sea turtle. I'm not sure what the yellow thing is. It almost looks like a seashell. flowers that are talking. I think that's another person there. That almost looks like a skull. Anyway, let me get over to the truck. All right, motors in a truck. They haven't complained about this in the past, about leaving the light kit on the fan. So we'll see. We'll see. And I've talked to you guys about this before. These are the controls out of washers and dryers, and oh, that's a dishwasher probably. Oh, it's probably a washing machine, huh? The cycles. I don't know. I don't remember now. But those are all the controls and stuff. They give us copper bearing motor for those, for whatever reason. For these controls off the appliances. And last time they told me fan blades are okay, you don't have to take them off. So there is that. Let me get back to the garage, I suppose. So the plan will be, we'll run the motors maybe tomorrow on Monday, and then we're going to come back, we're going to load the dirty aluminum, because like I said, I just think it was overweight, guys. It's a half-ton truck. I'm sure I'll get a ticket on the, a scale ticket on the motors. And we'll see how far past half-ton we were with just the motors. Anyway, so we'll run the motors, maybe Monday. We'll come back and we'll do the dirty aluminum here. I think I have some more dirty aluminum to add to that. Let's see, and we'll probably run, with the dirty aluminum, we'll probably run the circuit boards. And I don't know, I never make it to this brass copper mess down under here. But maybe this time we'll get there, I don't know. We'll definitely run the dirty aluminum though, because Mrs. Duggar will be going back to work. So no more run it whenever you feel like it. You got to run it around your schedule. This may end up being dirty aluminum, because I think that's riveted on. I'll have to check it. There's something going on with all of these. Oh yeah, I got to take the grinder to these. These are all the ones that need it. The aluminum is through it, and then it's smashed over. So I gotta grind them off if I want to get them apart. You gotta hit them really, really hard with the really, really big hammer. But yeah, these are all the ones that are, the aluminum's put through and then it's smashed over. Which with the grinder, that shouldn't take very long. The problem is getting the wheel down in here, because it's like that. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. I'll sort this bucket and we'll make a decision on whether we're grinding them apart or we're just calling them dirty. That may be it for video. That may be it. I don't think there's... I'm going to go take a break. Eat something. Probably watch a movie or something, because the temperature is going up. And I'm tired, because I don't normally hang out during the day. I normally sleep because I work nights. Anyway, let me take a quick look around and then I'll probably wrap you up. Alright team, still Sunday morning. We never got around to bench testing our light, but I'll probably come out late night. We'll do it tonight. And we'll mess around with that bucket of dirty aluminum, figure out what we're doing there. Probably do a couple other things that I don't even know we're going to do. I owe you some trailer totals. Was it 2 weeks ago? We ran the steel trailer. I think I guessed 5,000 pounds. I can't remember now. The total on that one was 4,680 pounds 4680. We also ran aluminum trailer last week. I know I guessed 2,000 on that, and I missed it by quite a bit. The total on that was 3,440 pounds. 3440. So I was way off on that. Anyway, the only part that's uncool is price of aluminum and shred steel is down. Other than that, I mean, I'll take 3,400 pounds of aluminum. Even at the lower price, it wasn't bad. Anyway, that's going to do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. I'll see you next week, team.